What if I told you that the secret to living a long, healthy life has already been discovered? Yes, you heard it right. There are places on this planet where people live significantly longer, healthier lives than anywhere else. These regions, brimming with longevity, have sparked intrigue and curiosity. Imagine areas where the norm is to celebrate 100 birthdays, where age is just a number and vitality is abundant. These unique locations are known as blue zones. Stick around as we delve into the secrets of these longevity hotspots. Blue zones are 5 specific places in the world where people not only live the longest, but also have healthier lives. These places are Ikaria in Greece, Loma Linda in California, Sardinia in Italy, Okinawa in Japan, and Nicoya in Costa Rica. Let's take a brief tour of these remarkable regions. Ikaria, an isolated Greek island, is characterized by a laid-back lifestyle and a diet rich in olive oil, fruits, and vegetables. Loma Linda, California, is home to a large community of Seventh-day Adventists who follow a strictly vegetarian diet. Sardinia in Italy is known for its strong family ties and consumption of a Mediterranean diet. Okinawa, Japan, boasts a community of elders who maintain an active lifestyle and consume a diet low in calories but high in nutrients. Meanwhile, Nicoya in Costa Rica stands out for its emphasis on strong social networks and a traditional diet of maize and beans. Despite their geographical differences, these blue zones share certain lifestyle characteristics that contribute to their longevity. So, what's the secret sauce in these blue zones? Well, it's not just one ingredient, but a blend of several lifestyle habits. Firstly, diet plays a significant role. Most centenarians in these zones follow a plant-based diet, rich in legumes, whole grains, and a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. They consume meat sparingly, maybe just 5 times a month, and their portions are significantly smaller than what most of us are accustomed to. Physical activity is another key component. But don't imagine grueling gym sessions. Instead, these folks incorporate movement into their daily lives naturally. They walk to the market, they tend their gardens, they play with their grandchildren. In other words, they keep moving without it feeling like a chore. Now let's talk about social connections. In blue zones, people are deeply connected to their community. They prioritize family, they celebrate with their neighbors, and they support each other in times of need. This social fabric provides a sense of belonging, reducing stress, and contributing to overall well-being. Lastly, a sense of purpose. Centenarians in blue zones wake up each day knowing why they want to live. Whether it's caring for a grandchild, tending to a beloved garden, or contributing to their community, having a reason to live can add years to life. The secrets of the blue zones aren't locked away in a vault. They're simple, everyday habits that we can all incorporate into our lives for a shot at living a longer, healthier life. Remember, it's not just about adding years to your life, but life to your years.